Hi everyone, I just want to show you share with you something that I discovered this morning whilst out walking. It's a phenomenon that you never usually see, or hear should I say, because it's more of a sound. I was out walking, and as I came past this one little fresh pile of dug up soil, which were termites obviously, there was an unusual sound coming from it. I only have my phone, which I used to record, but it didn't come out very well, so I've now brought my camera and I want to show you this unusual sound. Okay, here we've got some you can see some soil which has been disturbed basically by termites, and there you can see a bit of a termite mound. But listen, if I stamp my feet, listen if you can hear what sound comes from this soil. Okay, that sound, you can hear it again, each time I make a noise. And basically it's the termites banging their heads against the tunnels that they have made with this loose soil to communicate. It's basically probably the workers to communicate with the soldiers to tell them that there's actually something trying to attack them and they need some defense. So it's basically a form of communication. I mean, termites tend to communicate with touch, chemical communication, pheromones, and then like this sound, but it's not actually sound. They can't hear anything. They feel the vibrations, but we hear the sound. It's quite fascinating. I'd never come across this before. If you disturb a termite mound, sometimes you hear them, but on a loose bit of soil on the floor like this where they've freshly dug, walking past it, I have never come across this before. So it's fascinating. You just learn something new every day. It's unusual what insects can do, and the sounds that they can produce. Hope you enjoyed it.